Hi, welcome to Bachelor Buddies. If you like our video, please do comment and subscribe to our channel. Your utmost support through this journey will help us to grow more.
Of June 2020 has been marked as a black day in our calendar, where we lost another gem from Bollywood. Sushant Singh Rajput, aged 34, was found dead from an apparent suicide in his home in Bandra, Mumbai. His body was found hanging from the ceiling fan. He had reportedly been suffering from depression for about 6 months. Sushant Singh Rajput was born in Patna to Krishna Kumar Singh and Usha Singh. His ancestral home is in Bihar's Purnia district. His mother's death in 2002 left him devastated, and it was in the same year that the family moved from Patna to Delhi.
Sushant Singh Rajput attended St. Karen's High School in Patna and Kulachi Hansraj Model School in New Delhi. According to Rajput, he had ranked 7th in the DCE entrance exam in 2003 and secured admission in Delhi College of Engineering in Bachelor of Engineering. He was also a National Olympiad winner in physics. In all, he cleared as many as 11 engineering entrance exams, including that for the Indian School of Mines. After he started participating in theatre and dance, he rarely had time for studies, resulting in backlogs which ultimately made him leave DCE. He completed only 3 years of the 4-year course before dropping out to pursue an acting career. While a student at Delhi Technological University, Rajput enrolled in Shyamak Dawar's dance classes. It was only later that the idea of making a career in acting came to him, as some of his fellow students in the dance classes happened to be interested in acting and were attending Barry John's drama classes. Influenced by them, Rajput also joined the acting classes. Here he quotes, "I found the experience liberating. I realized that I could communicate with the audience. I knew I wanted to do this forever." To make a break into films, Rajput moved to Mumbai and joined Nadira Babbar's Ekjut theatre group, which he remained a part of for 2.5 years. During this time, he was featured in a TV advertisement for Nestle Munch, which became famous throughout India. Rajput made his film debut in the buddy drama Kai Po Che, for which he received a nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. He then starred in the romantic comedy Shuddh Desi Romance and as the titular detective in the action thriller Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. His highest grossing releases came with a supporting role in the satire PK, followed by the best role in MS Dhoni, for which he received his first nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Actor. He went on to star in the commercially successful films Kedarnath and Chichore. Through your films, you have taught us how to deal with a heartbreak, how to overcome a loss, how to achieve your dreams, how to overcome failures, how to be self-sacrificing in the last scenes of Kedarnath. I couldn't resist myself seeing you die in the tsunami. Think what's happening when it's real. You have always been the living example of a small town boy who had achieved such a prestigious rank in AIEEE to pursue his own passion in acting and make a successful career through the immense hard work. Even when you left us, you made us understand that what depression can really do to a human being. Today, when everyone is speaking of how did you take such a tremendous step and leave us while your last film was about overcoming failures in life, I understand you could not bear your anxieties anymore and wanted peace. I understand how the love of your millions of fans could not protect you.
Wherever you are, be happy and safe. Rest in peace, Sushant Singh Rajput.